Watching the channel Deal Victor, and today we are going to discuss about the freelancer.com, how we can start work from here. Now I'm going to tell you how you can sign up with the website. So here you can see the website dealvictor.com, and next step you need to click on sign up button. Once you will click on the sign up button, you need to put the information here like email, and also you need to set your password. Once you will do it, your account will be created. Just like you can see, I have already created my account and I'm putting the information here. So I need to click on login here. I'm putting my information. Or you also can log in with the Facebook. So here you can put your information of logins, or if you have already worked on freelancer.com and login, you are already for your work, then you can click directly here. Your account will logged in. Newton Kumar FTP and password. It's done. You can see my account has been logged successfully, and here I'm telling you how you can start work on freelancer.com. So after sign up, you need to complete your profile. So you need to click on top right and click on view profile. Then here you will edit profile button, and here you need to set your titles, your summary of your work, your experience, and the services which type of you are providing. And you also complete your portfolio by uploading images and website URLs which you have done in the past. And you also need to add skills, and here you will select your specific category in which area you are expert, like website and software. Then you can see here listed lots of skills, and you can only select those in which you are very expert, so that you can get the notification for the only related skills projects. You can see here I have already selected 20 skills, and now it's done. Your profile has been ready now. Now you are ready to start the work. For this you need to apply on the coming projects of related with your category. Like if you are web developer, so here you can see WordPress website. You can click on it and start bidding over here. You need to set budget here. It's hourly work, and here time. Now you need to put your proposal here in this area and place the bid. Like this way you can start, and if employer see your proposal and he like your offer, he will definitely will contact you, and then you can have a deal online. And also once you will finish the project, you will get the paid. Hope you have understand how you can start work through the freelancer.com, and you can start earning from here. You also can see I have already started, and I have done here many projects. You can see here 11 projects I have finished here. You also can see the rating from the customers. It was 60 pounds, and this project was cancelled. It was 20, 10, 7,100 rupees, 8,900 rupees. Like this way I have done 11 projects here. So please subscribe the channel, and I will also upload more projects, more videos for beginners who want to start up with the freelancer.com. So thank you and take care. Bye bye. See you on next video. Please subscribe the channel.